Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to increase or reduce the volume on the iPod Touch. So the first step is you need to make sure the silent mode is turned off. In order to do this, you just want to swipe up from the bottom upwards, and if you don't see this menu, instead swipe down from the top right. Once you're brought to this menu here, what you're going to do is you just want to find this this mute switch, tap into that one, and make sure that you see this bell like so. If the bell looks like this, just tap into it again and make sure that it's turned off. You should also see at the top here when you do this, silent mode on, and then you're going to see here silent mode off. So the next step is what you're going to do is you have the volume rockers right here, and you can use those to increase the volume and reduce the volume. However, what if the volume rockers are faulty? Well, what you can do instead is go back into this menu here, and there is this volume slider like so. You can just use it to slide up and down. If you want more fine-tuned controls, you can long press into this, and you can see right like so. We are brought here, and we can slide up and we can slide down, and that will increase the volume and of course reduce the volume as well. Another little tip is if you just tap in using the volume rockers, you see this little pop-out menu here. If you are fast enough, you can actually slide the volume by just changing, by just using your finger here. As long as you just tap the button once, you can bring this menu out and you can increase or reduce the volume like so. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.